Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and I now believe that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. We are also seeing a bit of an increase in the volatility here in the market, and this is as a result of the data that just came out, which is the core PCE data, which came out at around the 0.3%, which is bullish for the market, and that is what is going to help us continue unlocking higher prices to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I was also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And it is this micro Elliott wave count within the formation of these higher Elliott wave count 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, where you can see that after seeing the low for that second wave, we saw this Elliott wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $7.5 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave. Then we also saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this blue target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I also expected to see another micro Elliott wave count within the formation of that wave 3, where you can now see that we have peaked in the formation of that first wave. We have also retraced in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area. And I now believe that we are going to continue unlocking higher prices in the formation of this wave 3 and sketching out a target area in the formation of that wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.54 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting Filecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, there are key confirmations that we first need for us to say that we are back in the formation of that wave 3, and the first one is a break above the first wave high, which lies at around the $5.886 mark. So in case we continue gearing up and see a break above the wave 1 high, then that will be the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of that wave 3, and we can be able to ride that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 to fully maximize our target areas at around the $6.547 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Filecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios. So given that we have fully maximized our target area in the formation of this wave 2, and you also have a bit of a volatility in the market as a result of the core CPE data, there are high chances that we are going to see a break above the first wave and continue gearing up to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 56 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.